Hi dear friends, welcome to my channel. Here I share chicken mushroom curry. This is my first try but output is good. Mix of mushroom and chicken is the highlight of this curry. Usually I prepare mushroom like as a chicken curry. First I ate this curry in our outing time from hotel. That's why I wish to prepare this curry at home. It's easy to make and you can serve with appam, puttu, chapati, rice, etc. Let us check how to make Kerala style mushroom chicken curry. Take 250 gram mushrooms and wash it well, chop it into pieces. Heat a pan, add required amount of oil, almost 2 tablespoons oil. Then add all dry masala spices. Add 2 green chilies. Put 1.5 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, saute it well. Then add 4 finely chopped onion, saute it well, allow to cook until it becomes soft. Add required amount of salt, almost 2 teaspoons. It helps to cook onion easily. When the onion is become soft, add 1 teaspoon turmeric powder. Cook it well 3 to 4 minutes, then add chopped mushrooms. Sorry, in between I understood the pan is too small than curry quantity, so I replaced the pan with pot. Before placing the pot, I apply some oil on it. All masala powders, 2 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon chicken masala powder and half teaspoon pepper powder. Cook it well until the raw smell is gone. Then take 2 chopped tomatoes, make it as a fine paste and add to the curry. Cook it for 3 to 4 minutes. Then add the chicken pieces, mix it well. Here I add less amount of chicken pieces. That's optional. If you want more quantity of chicken than mushroom, add more chicken. Again add 1 teaspoon salt, cover the pot and cook it for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, add 1 cup hot water. Cook it well until the chicken is soft and fleshy. Now the curry is almost done. In between, check the salt. If you feel the salt is less, add required amount of salt. At last, garnish with some coriander leaves. Mushroom chicken curry is ready to serve. Try this easy recipe and reply your comments. Serve it to your dear ones and enjoy your family time. Meet you soon with another easy recipe. Thank you.